There are two videos on page creation. I'm going to show you how to create a new page, and I'm going to show you how to revise a current page that's already in the system. So the first one we're going to look at is how do you revise a current page that's already set up for you. So again, we are in the dashboard. You're going to get very familiar with the dashboard. You want to click on Pages, All Pages. And this is going to show you a list of all the pages in your system, eCoach 360 system. So let's look at how we work. If you wanted to edit one of these pages, you just scroll over the name of the page and you'll see these 4 choices come up below. And you want to click Edit. This is going to open up the back end of your WordPress site. And you'll see how we work. And let me go ahead and show you how we work so you can see it on the side here. So this is a how we work page. We give you a little tutorial up here. We'll add the video. But this, if we look at this page here, how we work, and you said, okay, I want to add something. I want to change this picture. Let me show you how to do that. So as we see, how we work example page, how we work example page. So to edit that and to change it, you would just click on it and you'll see how we work example page is a special heading. And so you would just change that. Let's see how we work sample page. I could change the headings here. Heading 1, 2, 3. Heading 1 makes it bigger. And as you go down, it gets smaller and smaller. Could also make the heading be left or italic and centered. I can change the size of the heading to make it bigger or smaller. I can even add a subheading if I wanted above or below it. And padding, that just means the space. So if you wanted more space below it, you would just add a bigger number. And you can also change its colors. So a meta color, custom color, if you click that, it's going to have select color. You click this box and let's make it blue. So what we did was we changed the color of the heading. We could change the size. So I could show you heading 1, how much bigger it is. So let's save that. And anytime you change anything in a WordPress page to be able to see it, you would click update. So let's update this page and then let's look at what that looks like. So we worked on how we work example page, this part up here. Let's refresh the screen. And now we've made the heading bigger, we've made it change colors. So that's how easy it is to change anything in a WordPress page. And if you want to make it, some people like the bounce. They say, how do I make this stuff bounce? So if I refresh this page, you'll see what I mean here. This is called a pop-up. And you can make it the words pop up like that very simply by scrolling over kind of the top of it here, as you see, clicking Edit Cell, and we're editing column. Animation, pop up. I could have made it rotate, come in flying from left to right. I like the pop-ups myself. I could change the color. I could make a border. I could change the layout. I mean, you have so many options here. And so you just click Save. And again, you just repeat that process over and over with each little heading. So if you wanted to say, let me click here and change the content here for my page, you just type it in, whatever you want. And that's how you customize a page in our WordPress. And you have many options here real quick, layout options. So if I wanted a half a column here and a half a column here, now I want to add content to those columns, right? So here's you have all these opportunities to add whatever you want. Media elements, if you wanted to add a picture there, an image, just click it in there. If I wanted to add, anything, let's see. Plugins, there's products. So special heading over here. Any of this can be customized. If you don't like what you did, just click X, gets rid of it, X. Be sure not to click the X in the heading though here, because you would make all of this go away, and you do not want to do that. So be very careful that you have your elements. You can drag and drop them. I could move this here. Very simple. So just play with it, look at it, make your own, create your own page, which we'll learn next. And then just hit update when you're happy with everything. Here's the URL to test it. So if you wanted just to make a page to practice, I'd suggest just do demo.ecoach360.com or whatever your website is / a practice page. And that way you can just kind of play around with this. It's a lot of fun, easy to do, but that would be how you'd edit a page within eCoach 360. Thank you.